Numbers speak best for themselves, but visualization tools could help you understand the picture faster. Conditional formatting highlights cells from a given table according to a rule that reflects the information shown in these cells. Conditional formatting can serve as a quick rule of thumb that helps you visualize and read data. If the income statement you see here is to be presented to an executive, how is he going to look at it? Is he going to read the numbers one by one? Some executives do that, but usually these are very busy people who need a quick understanding of the overall situation. So, a professional solution would be to select this area and then apply conditional formatting. We can find it in the Home tab. Note the different visualization tools it offers: data bars, color scales, icon sets. All of these can be applied to improve data readability. In this example, I will choose icon sets. There are several ways you can use to indicate trends, or higher and lower values. For example, in icon sets, we can create the so-called traffic lights formatting. If a number is above a certain threshold, it will be colored in green. If it is lower than the threshold, but still higher than a lower bound threshold, it will be colored in yellow. And then, if it is lower than both thresholds, it will be colored in red. If you specify no criterion to be used to format the data, Excel will do that for you automatically. However, we advise you to stick to a slightly more professional approach. Open the More Rules dialog box and specify the rules and the threshold values yourself. First, determine the type of rule that will be used. In this table, it is convenient to highlight the cells based on their values. But remember, you can use different criteria to highlight the cells. Depending on the task being carried out, you can highlight the top or bottom ranked values, above or below average values, unique and duplicate values, and, of course, cells containing formulas. The example we will see here is often used in finance. This is the so-called traffic lights formatting. As we anticipated, it is based on the values of the cells. The part that requires your input is determining the value above, which a green light will be shown, and the value which will separate the red and the amber sign. Under Type, you could say whether the values you typed are percentages, numbers, formulas, or percentiles. We see percentages in these two columns. Let's press OK to see what happens. All right, nice. At a glance, you can distinguish good, average, and lower values in the two columns. Pay attention, please. Although I said that this type of visualization could be helpful, one must be careful when applying it. Our rule is that 67% is the value separating green and amber, right? So why do I have 45% marked as green here? Something is not right. Excel converts the values in your range on a scale from 0 to 100. So, in this example, with values ranging from -90 to +80, this value here would be considered as 67% of 170, 90 plus 80. Therefore, around 24%. This can be really confusing. So, the simple solution we propose is to use numbers. Just type in the numbers as decimals, and everything will be perfect. Ha! Now the formatting looks better, right? And it is much more meaningful. I see the positive values in amber and those above 10% in green. Everything below 0 is red. This means I consider a change larger than 10% good, between 0 and 10% just okay, and anything below 0 as negative. Finally, if you want to get rid of a rule, it will suffice to expand the already well-known conditional formatting menu and then clear the rule. The quickest way to do that would be to clear the entire sheet. Perfect. This is it for now. Thanks for watching.